Okay, this is the setup for the heated and chilled build platform. As you can see, it's mounted to your T-slot plates using standoffs and the T-nut the same way we do our regular build platform. However, because this is a little thicker, if you're going to use it at the same time with the original build plate, you want to add an additional standoff. So you can see in here, there are 3 standoffs now for this build platform. That brings them to approximately the same height, so you don't run the risk of crashing the gantry into one or the other when you're printing. And you still want to carefully set your Z heights as normal, and if you are using both for some reason, do a Z offset for whichever, to compensate for differences in height. Alright, so the coolant hoses here, these are going to a water receptacle that's going to be outside the machine to pass water through the heat exchanger. This can be, water receptacle can be here on the front, or if you want a more permanent installation, you can run it out the back, because there are ports in the back of the machine on the that you can run the hoses through back there. The cable brings in 24 volts from your power supply and the CAN bus and signal line. And you can see it comes in from the bottom of the chassis. You want to mount it here to the top rail, but make sure it's not too tight so that this can remain flexible when the bed goes up and down. On the inside, the CAN bus cable comes in here and plugs into the second header. Your power supply can just be set inside the chassis or wherever is convenient for you. I have this running off of our switched outlets back here. So here is the water pump and here is the power supply for the bed. That allows you to control them from the accessory switches on top of the machine here. Now on the back side, you do have the option of running your coolant hoses out these ports on the back if that is better for you.